4 plus 6, that is 10. Then we have 18 minus 10 divided by 2. Okay, 18 minus 10, that gives us 8 divided by 2. And 8 divided by 2, that gives us 4. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. And some people call it BODMAS. So, according to PEMDAS, the order of operation, parentheses comes first, then exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction as follows. So let us solve this question correctly following the order of operation. 18 minus bracket 4 plus 6 divided by 2. Following the order of operation, the first step would be to deal with the parentheses. The first step would be to deal with the parentheses, and that gives us 18 minus 4 plus 6, that gives us 10 divided by 2. According to the order of operation, division comes first before subtraction. Division before subtraction. So 10 divided by 2, that gives us 5. We have 18 minus 5. Okay, so 18 minus 5, and that gives us 13. And this is the final answer and the only correct answer. But here is the last step which many people get very wrong. They forget to subscribe to my channel after watching my video. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and this is the only way you can support me right here on the space. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.